Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at unlimited commands. How to create a array with unlimited commands. Limitations of number of commands. And in the current design, we have the commands using characters M, B, and so on. Now there's a limitation in this. The limit to these type of characters that can be used is 62 only. How do we get 62? Lowercase a to lowercase z is 26. Uppercase a to uppercase z is 26. The character 0 to 9 is 10. So we get 26 plus 26 plus 10. That gives us 62 commands. If you wanted to increase the number of commands, how would you do it? So the easy solution is to use numbers. Use numbers to represent commands instead of characters. But if we use numbers, then we have a new problem. How do we know what the numbers mean? Numbers by themselves are meaningless. So to solve that, we can use enumerations. This is an example of enumeration. Enumerations is a type of structure in programming where you can define symbols to represent numbers. For example, to create an enumeration, we use the enum keyword here together with a name of the enumeration that we want to give. For example, we give it a name command, and inside here we put all the numbers you want to use and the symbols that will be used to replace and represent those numbers. For example, help is represented by number 1, message, stu, beep, tree, and so on. So this gives us the ability to have unlimited number of commands. This is to enable the use of meaningful words in place of numbers whenever dealing with command strings passed from client to server. The client will no longer send ABCs and so on. Instead, it will be sending numbers from 1 to any big number. This is what extends the capability of the server to handle more commands. In the old design, with the stream reader readline method, we could only handle 62 commands. Now, with the new method, we will be able to handle thousands of commands. So this is the new design we are going to implement in our next practical walkthrough. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.